Hi, I'm Deathlake, just came back from Cadbury World, so I got these for free. Well, technically it's not free, but they worked into the price. So these bars were included in with the ticket. So a double decker, it's a little squish right now, a crunchy bar, a Cadbury dairy milk, and a curly whirly. These from the human guinea pig donated to me. A whisper chocolate bar, a crunchy, a Freddy poppin' candy, a Cadbury dairy milk, a fudge, and a chomp. Oh, it's a Freddo Carmel. And also I bought on top I also bought this licorice type plush thing, which was what was £9.99, the mascot. And look at the size of the frog in comparison. I think this frog is quite cute. So this was £3.99, so this is what the Freddo plush looks like. Look at his butt. He's wearing a t-shirt. Look at his face. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page for more content. And please do comment below what is your favourite brand of chocolate.